Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another beautiful video. Today I'm going to show you how I make stofi turkey tail. Yes, and see, me spices are me onions. I have basil, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, anise seed in kitten no, and now a friend is saying garlic. Me pacho ye fancy so kama menko baby ya pacho video we kukusi end what if you are new here, please subscribe for another beautiful video. Please support the channel. Thank you. Okay, so guys, I'm going to wash the stofi or turkey tail. I'm going to wash it with hot water and also white vinegar because I don't like the scent of the meat. So wash it very well and take all the excess skin and the fats out before you fry your stofi so that you can enjoy it very well. Okay, like I said before, I have to take all the excess skin and the fat out before I can cook it. So guys, do it well so you can enjoy it. Yes, this is turkey tail stofi. Yeah, you can pair this with bread, jam, fried yam. I prefer fried yam today. So guys, if you want to know, just wait and see how it goes. Okay, so in here I'll blend all the spices together, then I can pour it on my meats and cook it. Yes, so I'll blend everything, okay, and come back. Voila, wash it. Meat nina looking so beautiful, no? So here I'm adding some AROMAT, yeah, or in Ghana you can call it adobo. It's the same. So this is aroma that I'm adding. No salt attached, only aromats, then the blended spices. Then we are good to go, guys. Yes. Okay guys, so I cooked the meat for about 30 minutes and this is how it looks like. It looks so delicious already. And one thing about the broth, you don't need to throw it away. You can store it and use it for your stew or any other recipe. Okay, so here I'm going to take everything out and fry my stofi. Stofi way ebe the pa. I have my shito already. You remember the shito recipe I made? You guys need to go and watch it. So I'm going to pair this with shito, yam or bread or kinky. you guys, Charlie, you need to try this recipe, man. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and share, and also click the notification button so that you may be able to get my videos whenever I upload. Okay, thank you once again. So this recipe, I'm going to tell you something. If you are in Ghana, you get this recipe everywhere because this is typical street food that you can get with yam, especially yam and shito and koliko. Obenya sa recipe way with koliko. Hey, so we do someone pa ukoko and ukukuma say ube who say, hey, recipe way say, Charlie, don't go anywhere. Okay, so let's go ahead and fry our meat. Yeah, my oil is already hot. It's too hot that I need to turn the fire down a bit, otherwise it will burn. Yes. Okay, so this is the first batch. I'm going to fry the first batch, then the second one will follow. So at this point you can take them out, but I want mine to be more crispy, so I have to cover it for additional 10 minutes. Yes, you can take them out. Like I said, you can just take it, it's perfectly cooked, but I want mine to be more crispy. Okay, so at this time I'm going to take them out. It looks so yummy, delicious, crispy. It looks a bit darker in the camera, but trust me, it's all perfect, so delicious. If you try this recipe, don't forget to give me a comment and let me know your thoughts of it. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for your time. Bless you for watching my video. I'll meet you with another recipe. Stay blessed.